All right, y'all. Welcome back to Tawana T-Bird Travels. I am about to drill holes in my buckets for my plants, my garden. I'm not gonna plant anything in this yard because I ain't buying this house. So I'm out here in the wilderness and preparing to get my buckets ready to transfer my plants. Yeah, I said the wilderness. I mean, like, yeah, I'm in a house in the hood, but it's the same thing. It's the wilderness. Don't mind my attire. Got my boots, but I'm comfortable. Anyway, let's get to the point. Y'all need to see all me. Just gonna put my little hat on because the sun is out, just in case I start sweating. I got my safety goggles. There I am. Y'all want to see me? There I am. Hope I ain't got no holes in these things. Okay, there I am. All right. So first things first, I don't have no gloves. They're in the house, but wear gloves if you want to wear gloves. I got my drill, and I got a spade drill bit, a 3/4 inch spade drill bit. I've seen people use these before. And then I have a 3/8 inch Hercules drill bit. So I really want to try this spade one because this is the one I've seen people use on videos. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I got here 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang, I got 5 buckets. I thought I only had 4, but I got 5 buckets. So the goal first is to get the holes in the buckets for drainage, and then we're gonna put the soil and everything in them for make sure I'm going the right way. Yeah, I'm gonna put the soil in it, and I'm gonna make sure that it's nutrient dense. So I'm gonna have some work to do on the soil. All right. So the thing said to put 4. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So hopefully y'all can see that. Let me adjust the camera a bit so y'all can see what I'm doing. For those of you who don't know what you're doing, don't try this at home. I am a professional. I studied at YouTube University. Okay. Let's make sure it's going the right way. All right, let's do it. We're gonna do it right here, and then we gotta do drill holes around too. So I'm gonna use this one to do. Oh, look! I like this already. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's one. Let's do another one. 2. Show you. Look at that. Look at them holes. Beautiful. So I'm gonna do all the top holes. So we got all of the buckets, the holes in the buckets. So now we're gonna do the holes on the side. I don't want them as big as these are, so I want to switch out my drill bit. Inch. Now we're gonna do the side, and you can line them up right with this. I'm gonna go between, so I'm gonna go about right here, baby. All right, so for all the buckets, I got the bottom holes and I got the drainage hose on the side. Next up, we're going to be putting our our soil and our nutrients in it. Let me go clean up.
Okay, so what I'm doing right here is I'm taking a little heating tool I have and poking holes in the lid of a gallon jug. I don't have a watering can, and it's not that I can't afford one, but I just choose to try to use items around the house and upcycle them to use them, you know, instead of just throwing them out. I'm gonna water it with my little jug. Look at that. See that? You can call it ghetto. You can call it innovative. One thing you're not gonna call them is dry. Oh, let me close my mouth for them bugs get in there. See, look at that. Tell me I'm not doing something. And then just squeeze the jug if you want it to come out more. I'm just pushing it on my leg. Yes, mama, baby. Y'all gonna be all right. We're gonna make this happen, Captain. Strawberries ain't doing nothing. I've just had a hard time altogether with them. I can't remember if these are greens or the bell peppers. Oh, I didn't do the greens. Oh my gosh. What did I plant? Strawberries. I know what this is though. Look at that. You see that? Look at that one right there. I believe these are the tomatoes. So these are the tomatoes. These were not even up there last night. Yes. The tomatoes. I think I got bell peppers and oh well. Let me go in and pray over them and keep hoping. Keep hope alive. Y'all look. Just this morning it was just like one little one. Look at that now. I got that one up, that one, those, that. I think these. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's only coming up in this one. Let me see which one this is. I was so excited to have my peppers and my tomatoes, and I was ready to transplant them. I went out of town for a few days and asked my daughter to water them, and unfortunately she picked up a gasoline jug and she poured gasoline on them. You guys, I cried so hard. I went for a walk and I boo-hooed like a baby. And I know you may feel, oh, it's overreacting, but when you work hard for something and then it's just gone just like that, it hurts. But I was able to save a few. I can save because one of the leaves is already dead. The other one is dying. I can't save it. I'm so hurt. My feelings are so hurt. This one still looks good and the baby was coming up. So I'm going to put her in there. Hopefully I can save it. I just don't know how hard I work to get these like this. This one looks like it might not can be saved. I don't know. And this one probably can. I'm gonna go ahead and put her in. Put her over there. There we go. Put a little firmness right there. How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times that made us laugh are way I know we get to see forever, but forever's gone away. Singing my song. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. Thanks for watching, friends. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell for notifications.